You know, good morning mga bike buddy. This is the Java Aria. Let's go! Alright, here are the specs of the Java Aria 20-inch folding bike. Carbon, Lodi, ang ating frame at fork. 2x9 speed, Shimano Altus shifter. Shimano Altus din ang ating RD. Shimano Sora naman ang ating FE. 42 and 52T decaf crankset. 11 to 32 naman ang ating cog set, cassette type. Decaf 406 aero rims, decaf mechanical disc brake, decaf din ang ating seat post and saddle, telescopic stem,
rubber grips, at non-folding pedals. Amen.
Internal cabling. CST tires, bike buddies, 20 by 1.35. Available colors, black, blue, and black red. Total weight 10.75 kilograms. Total cost 54,888 pesos. Carbon, Lodi. Padyakan mo na. Ngayon at alam na natin ng specs ng Java Aria, what do we like about this bike? It's one of those bikes na matagal lang nire-request sa akin na i-review, and I'm glad that today is that day. Now we get to ride, test, and feel what that's like. Carbon, Lodi. Carbon frame, carbon din ang ating fork. Carbon, Lodi. So, okay yun kasi napakagaan ng bike. Nung kinuha ko nga to, ramdam ko yung difference. Pero to my surprise, dahil nga carbon siya, very light. It's about 10 kilos plus. So, not too bad. Next, okay din dito sa Java Aria because it is internal cabling. Napakalinis. So, walang nakabulat-lat na mga cables. Pumapasok sa frame, ang kable. So, very neat design. Speaking of design, pag nakita mo rin itong Java Aria, hindi siya bilog eh. So, medyo may mga kanto-kanto ang kanyang design. So, which is a good thing. It sets it apart, no? Nagsa-stand out siya talaga pag nakita mo. Tinginin na bisikleta. The one that we are using right now is the black-blue combo. Meron ding black-red. Yung black-red, angas din yun. Pero, any of these color variants, you will like. Shimano rin ang components nito. Well, most of it. Shimano Altus ang ating shifters at RD. Naka-Tektro mechanical disc brakes naman tayo dito, bike buddies. Na meron din tayong integrated bell. Yun, oh. Enough para mapansin ka, pero hindi rin ganun kaskandaloso. Rubber grips provide ample support. Meron din tayong telescopic stem, standard 33.9 seat post, and a comfortable saddle. Ang ating tires ay 20-inch, 1.35. Again, on the skinny side, pero okay lang. And I'll tell you why. So, since magaan ang ating bisikleta, pinanipis ang gulong, yung acceleration nito okay din. Downside naman, what don't we like about the Java Aria? So, unang-una, sayang yung kanyang setup ay walang side stand or kickstand. So, pag ipaparada mo siya, it's either you fold it or isandal mo. Pero better na lang na i-fold ninyo para safe. Kasi alam mo naman, carbon, kailangan maingat tayo sa ganyan. Sa cracks, sa mga dings, and so on. Next, downer for me will be the grips. Yung grips nito, rubber grips. Pero yun nga, being a guy with big hands like myself, mas gusto ko sana yung mas makapal rubber na may palm rest. That way, mas maganda yung hawak sa bike. Apart from that, wala na akong ibang maisip na downside or kung bakit ayoko tong bike na to. Kasi the pros outweigh the cons in my opinion. It's also good to point out pala na yung pag-upo almost vertical, no? Napaka comfortable na ride. So, I guess it has to do with the design also. So, hindi ako nakatuwad, hindi ako nakayuko. Balance eh. Almost 90 degrees ang aking tindig sa pag-upo, if that makes sense. So, comfortable ride siya. Maganda rin yung tunog ng hubs nito, very decent. Para siyang maliit na rattlesnake. Hindi naman maingay, pero premium din yung tunog. Alright, bike buddies, here are my final thoughts about the Java Aria 20-inch carbon folding bike from CS168. Worth it ang 54,888 pesos mo. Bakit? Super gaan itong bike na to, being 10.75 kilograms. Carbon ang ating frame at fork. Now, naka-Shimano na rin tayo na Altus shifters and RD. Ang ating FD ay Shimano Sora. Naka 2x9 setup na rin tayo, bike buddies. 42-52 chainring, 11-32 cog set. Rubber grips, non-folding pedals, amen. Reflectors, here and there. Java Aria branding everywhere. Napakaganda. Would I recommend this bike? Oo, bike buddies eh. Naka-quick release na rin pala ang mga tires nito. So, napakadaling magbaklas ng gulong if the need be na magpalit ng interior or mag-ayos ng anything na problema sa wheelset. Quick release na siya. If you guys would like to check this bike out, head on over sa mahiwagang Blackgate ng CS168. Open sila Monday through Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Guys, check out this bike and the others dun sa kanilang roster. Napakaganda ng display at showroom. You can pick up any bike that you would like to try out. Napaka-helpful din ng staff, napaka-friendly. So, head on over. Kita-kita tayo soon. Laging tatandaan, pag gusto mo, padyakan mo.